going on a nature walk.
Well, this is a
Let's go neighborhood walk then. Run. In place. So yeah, we're just going on a nature walk. Jeez, these people need to cut their bushes. I don't know what that was, but there was like a bunny. But we're exercising, so we're gonna run or walk down the hill and run up the hill. I know, right? So we're going to walk up the hill. So we're gonna walk up the hill and then walk down the hill and just keep on doing that. So yeah. So okay. Woo. Ready? Now let's go back up. Come on. I'm out of breath. She isn't. Crossing the street.
after the bathroom.
Okay.
Are you actually videoing this?
I know.
Are you gonna put it on YouTube?
Probably. Oh my god.
That's gonna be so stupid.
There's a sign. There's a sun. I know it is stupid,
Yeah, like really.
but whatever. Oh, the sun's in my face.
Oh, well. What color eyes do you have?
Like blue, green, and like purple.
Purple?
My Grammy's purple, mom green, dad blue.
Blue eyes are more better in the sun.
Yeah. So
Brown
like,
eyes are better in the dark.
this is actually nice. Getting my steps in. There's a bug on you,
They're all.
like on your face, but this is nice.
Okay. Why is there so many bugs?
Why do you think it's the outside? For a sec, I thought someone was behind me. Wait up! Wait up! She's walking without me. She's all the way up there. Wait up! This is nice. Yeah. We can't go any further. Yeah? Are you recording?
No.
I am, but it's stupid. But so we're hanging out today. He begged and begged so that we could hang out and look, we're together. So
Guys, I don't know what brought me into this, but yes. We're going on a walk and
and then
my leg is killing me, so
then we're
it's
gonna
not helping.
yeah, she's limping, and then we're going to have some girl dinner.
Girl dinner!
Yeah, girl dinner. Which actually, and we're having pasta. We're both Italian.
Eliana.
Yeah. I don't even know why I said that. Yeah. Don't mind us just whispering. Yeah, because we're. Do you want to say hi to the dogs? Do you want me to hold on? I don't even know if it's unlocked, but guys, thanks for watching. Bye. Oh, she wants to say hi to the dogs. Run. Hi. Here, you pet that dog. I pet this dog.
They all live. They all live.
Here, you pet that dog. Aren't they cute?
Yes.
Let's go. Anyway, y'all, thanks for watching.
My phone case is covered in drool.